Alright, today I'm going to go over the steps on how to apply the Headlight Restoration Kit by Meguiars. In the package it comes with the plastic cleaner and polish. This small bottle here is a sealer. Comes with a hand pad, 1000 disc sandpaper, and 3000 disc sandpaper that attaches to the hand pad right there, and then the clear coating pad that you finish the step up. The only other thing that you need is a drill like this right here. My drill sucks. I have to replace the battery probably every few minutes, but that's your polish pad, which is going to come in handy during the cleaning and polishing stage. So I did one headlight already, and I'm going to show you what it looked like before I started the process. Sorry, it's nighttime here, so my light's limited. But this is the original headlight. My car's a 2003. You can see it's very foggy and yellow. It's actually difficult to see at night. That's why I'm doing this. Otherwise, I wouldn't care. But it's extremely difficult to see at night. And so I decided that I probably should do this, at least try it. If it doesn't work, I'll buy some new headlights and put it in it. But I figured I'd give this a shot for $18. So this is what it looks like after probably about 15 minutes worth of work. As you can tell, it looks like it's brand new. Basically, it tells you to tape off all the area around the headlight because you're going to be sanding and you don't want to get your paint. So you tape it off and you sand it, keep spraying it, keeping it very wet so you're not putting dark scratches in. You're going to scratch it a few times with the pad. Then you're going to go down to 3000 grit, repeat it with the wet sandpaper. You're going to continue doing that, and then once you're all done, you're going to wipe it clean it with a window cleaner. Then you're going to apply the polish, put a nickel-sized dot on your brush with the drill, and just polish it on. Go around. I did that for a few minutes, making sure that I get the whole area covered. Once you do that, then you're going to wipe it off, and you're going to clean it again with glass cleaner. Once you get it nice and clean and dry, you then apply the little black pad with the coating. Now the coating's kind of a sealer that will seal the polish in, and they said it should last quite a long time. I think some of the people on Amazon reviews said anywhere from 1 to 2 years your headlight will remain like this. I'm hoping that's the case because it looks great now. We'll see how it ends up, but very easy. It gives you enough material in the package, in the bottles there. You should be able to do, I would say, probably 3 or 4 cars. You might need to buy new sandpaper because it might wear that out, but for the most part, very easy. This package, as you can see right there, the before and after, is very similar to what I have here. So very yellowish, fogged out light to crystal clear. So for about 15-25 minutes of your time, somewhere in there, it's definitely worth the try. So thanks again. See ya.